Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem. Amma ba'd, fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. As we all know that in the current contemporary world, we are mostly listening about a conflict which is saying as it leads to the World War III. That is the Israel and the Palestine conflict. Actually, this current conflict began when the Israel was attacked by a terrorist group, Hamas as they claimed, and they flew over with paragliders and machine guns and killed some Israelis. And therefore, the world says that Israel has the right to defend itself. It has the right to attack the Palestine. But what's the truth? What's the reality in it? In fact, the world says that Israel has the right to defend itself. But a lot of people don't realize, they don't acknowledge that Israel is not retaliating. It is attacking the Palestine. Palestine has been attacked for the last 75 years of their existence. Under the United Nations Charter for the Human Rights, they regard Israel routinely commit war crimes on the Palestinian population, the innocent population, which has no good army, no good military, no good navy, no good air force, and no good defensive system. Israel is attacking on the Palestine mercilessly on a daily basis. But the world stays silent. If you see, some people say that Israel has the right to defend itself from Palestine. But up to now, Israel is not attacking. So don't be fooled when the world says that. It says that Israel is not attacking. Israel is protecting itself. Don't listen to their words. In fact, up to now, every retaliation is done by the Palestinian people for the last 75 years of their existence. If you believe me, if you don't wish to believe me, because the man is a Muslim, he is a sympathizer for Islam, he is presenting the facts according to their own narrative, then listen to their own words, listen to their own narrative. The people who, Israeli soldiers, who are saying that we continuously, we deliberately attack the Palestinians on their mercilessly on a daily basis. We attack the civilians. The United Nations, according to the laws they have constructed, they said attacking on the civilians, targeting the civilians, and excessive force. These all acts are crimes, and these crimes are leads to war crimes. This was done by the Israel. I wonder, some people says that don't say that Israel is the wrong and the Palestinians are wrong. Let's just say they both are fighting each other. In fact, they both are not fighting each other. If you see the figures, only one home was destroyed in the Israel, but more than 18,000 homes were destroyed in the Palestine. Only one school kindergarten was destroyed in the Israel, but more than 285 kindergartens, schools and colleges were destroyed in the Palestine. No even a single hospital was destroyed in the Israel, but more than 89 hospitals, medical facilities, clinics, all first aid centers all were destroyed in the Palestine. Listen to the Noam Chomsky and listen to the Ellen Pape, who are the Jewish themselves and they don't have a dog in the race. They speak according to the truth. They don't support any support to any group or any people, but they speak with the evidence and facts. What do they say? They argue the same things which I have mentioned. But they said, if you treated a dog in a country the way the Palestinian children are treated in the Palestine, you would be arrested for treating a dog in that manner. But now the human beings in the Palestine are treated worse than an animal in the Palestine. But the world is silent. But we are not going to be silent. We have the right to defend itself. We have the right to voice our opinions. We will voice our opinions what we have to to say. I want to say this point to, I want to say this to those who are supporting the Israel and saying that Israel has the right to defend itself. It is like saying that Robert, a prolific child raper, has the right to defend itself when the child scratched him while he was raping it. People saying that this child raper has the right to defend himself because he scratched him. Inshallah, the Palestine will be free. Inshallah, may Allah give us all tawfiq. But Israel, or it is fact that Israel only attacking on 2.3 million people physically in the Palestine, but they are destroying more than 101.8 billion Muslims mentally all over the world. Inshallah, may Allah give the Palestinian to be free as fast as possible. Amin. Assalamu alaikum.